There you go, that is it for this video. Probably my best Halloween wall to date. Cool to link up with Boss, he did a really good job with his part of the wall. Yeah, got to do more stuff like that in the future. Love Halloween, great time of year for painting some nice graph, nice walls by loads of people. So yeah, have a scroll around on Instagram, there's loads of good shit going on. Yeah, anyway, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share, do all that stuff. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.